Okay, ready to go do the chores? Yeah. Chore time? Okay, let's go. There's something out there? Oh yeah. Well, it's a beautiful morning. It's only about -4, -5. Might even get above 0 today, which is always kind of a mixed blessing because it melts the pathways and turns them into ice instead of snow. But it does look like it's going to be nice. Boy, I must have overfed the cows last night because they're not down yet. So may catch a little bit of the cow parade as well. Well, let's go get the horses fed, throw some hay out for the cows, and start another day in the mountains. What do you think, Sophie? Come on, Ralph.
Good morning. Another day in paradise.
Might be wearing your shorts today.
What's that?
Might be wearing your shorts today.
Yeah, exactly.
To get things melted. It'll probably melt a little bit today. It sounds like it's going to get above 0.
Yeah, we're going to start thinking about irrigation pretty soon.
Yeah. Yeah, another 3 months. Apparently the snowpack's supposed to be pretty good this year, so.
Yeah. I don't think the frost level is very deep.
No. Well, we just haven't had that intense cold this year.
Well, I don't see it coming back. Hard to say, man.
Oh, keep your mouth shut.
Yeah.
We've had -30 in February, so. What do you say, Sophie? Back up to the house, have a little bit of breakfast, maybe some toast. Lead the way. Everybody's happily stuffing themselves here. Any mice there, Sophie? Hey, Ferdinand. Oh, somebody's talking to me this morning. What a beautiful morning, eh? Check out that sky. Well, let's go in, have a bit of breakfast and some toast. Hey, Poppy. How's Poppy this morning? Oh, yes. She says, oh, do you have bread? I like bread. Yes. I'll make it into toast first, okay? Let's go in. So I've been getting water in one of the control cables on the tractor, which causes the line to freeze up. In this case, it's the bucket dump line. So let's see if I can clean things up a little bit here and figure out where the water's getting in. Because it seems to be the rear of the two spools. I'm thinking that's where the water's running down into. I think I'll take both these off and take them into the shop and clean them. And clean up around these. Put a little, maybe a little gasket seal around it and see if that helps a bit as well. We'll go from there. Well, I got tied up with some other tasks today, so I got to go back out and get that tractor put back together, get the controls back on it, because I think we've got some weather coming in from the way it looks at. So forecast is for a chance of snow. I want to work on the Land Rover in the shop over the next couple of days, and to get that done, I'd like to get it into the shop before it's all covered in snow. Well, back to the shop, grab some parts and tools. Start by running this unit out. Oh, there we go. The controls back out. And we'll go grab some tools and get rolling on this. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.